Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can create YouTube clips on mobile. So this is an Android tutorial, but it's pretty much the same process on an iPhone. So I'm going to open up the YouTube app and then I'm going to find a video that I want to clip. Okay, so one thing to remember is that not all videos are going to have the clip function. So make sure that you find one that has it. So if I tap on this video right here and then just pause this for a moment, you can see all the different buttons over here underneath the title of the video. And then you just need to scroll a little bit to the right. And then right at the end there, you can see it says clip. This will allow you to create short clips of this YouTube video like you see on Twitch. So tap on clip and then you need to select where in the video that you want to clip. Now you can clip up to 60 seconds of the video, and it generally clips about 5 seconds when you first do it. So let me say you can move this blue bar to wherever it is in the video, or just play the video and then just pause it at the time you want the clip to start. Then it's going to clip that, and if you want the clip longer than 5 seconds, then you just drag the end of the blue line to wherever you want the clip to end. So let me just say I want to clip that portion of the video. You can see underneath that it says it's 30 seconds. So you need to give your clip a title. So I'll just write test clip for YouTube, and then I'll get rid of the keyboard, and there right at the bottom you can see it says share clip. So go ahead and tap on share clip. That's going to save the clip in your clips library so you can access it later, and now you can begin sharing it. What I typically do is I just copy the link and then I send it on Messenger or Instagram or Discord or anything like that. So that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.